Microsoft Viva is an employee experience platform to empower people and teams to be their best from anywhere. Today, Microsoft Viva is an employee experience platform to empower people and teams to be their best from anywhere. Today, it consists of the following 5 modules. Viva Insights helps people and businesses thrive by delivering personalized, privacy-protected insights and actions to help employees, managers and leaders build better work habits and improve productivity and improve personal well-being. Viva Learning makes learning a natural part of the day by bringing a complete employee learning centre into the flow of work in teams and offering a rich catalogue of modules across first and third-party content providers. Viva Connections is the gateway to your employee experience, delivering a curated, branded experience customised for every company's individual, bringing together relevant news, conversations and helpful resources and links to help everyone stay connected to the company and its culture. Viva Topics makes organisational information easier to find by automatically organising content and expertise across your organisation and then exposing these topics when they're needed across Microsoft 365 apps. And finally, Viva Goals, our latest addition to the employee experience. Viva Goals is a goal setting and management solution that completely aligns teams to your organisation's strategic priorities, driving results and a thriving business. Hi everyone, my name's Bridget Mansfield. My preferred pronouns are she, her, and I'm a product marketing manager in the Modern Work Business Group at Microsoft UK. I'm going to be talking to you today about our exciting new addition to the Viva Suite, Viva Goals. As we know, we're at a very interesting crossroad. On one hand, businesses are facing unprecedented levels of disruption and uncertainty, whether that's things like technology disruptions or serious issues we've been facing around the world. To deal with this uncertainty, businesses are trying to figure out a new way of working. The shift to remote and hybrid work has been happening for some time now, and the pandemic has really accelerated that. Business leaders are now asking themselves things like, when should I bring my team back to the office, or why go back to the office in the first place? And critically, how will we work together to stay aligned? How will we implement our company's strategy and goals, especially given this new hybrid work? Employees are asking themselves questions as well. They're rethinking the why of work. Why do we go to work every day to do this job? What's my bigger impact? How am I contributing to the company's mission and goals? Employees are asking for more. They look to their employers to provide a sense of purpose and meaning, a positive culture, a sense of belonging and understanding of the impact that they have at work. Leaders need to figure out how to meet these increasingly important employee needs of purpose and meaning at work, at the same time as delivering on business results in a radically different operating model than ever before. People are no longer choosing a job based on location or salary. They want purpose, flexibility, growth and development, and a culture where they feel like they belong. They want to make an impact, make a difference, and they want more work-life balance. In other words, they want a better employee experience. What's needed is a new approach and a new category of technology solutions we call Employee Experience Platforms, or EXP. An EXP is a digital platform that puts people at the centre by bringing together systems of work with systems of support into an integrated employee experience, and it provides people with the resources and support they need to succeed and thrive no matter their location. Today, there are a lot of vendors focused on employee engagement and well-being, but they're mostly point solutions, looking to solve one or a few of the symptoms in separate experiences. Today's solutions are fragmented and they're disconnected from where people are doing their work. The services and resources employees need are often undiscovered or not accessible as a natural part of people's communication and workflow. Our vision is an integrated employee experience that brings together all of these resources into the natural flow of everyday work. Clear direction and purpose are essential to a great employee experience, and when teams rally around a shared goal, the impact they can have is limitless. Goals create clarity, enable focus, and help teams see the impact of their work, so it should be easy for them to understand, manage, and collaborate on goals wherever they're working. This is Viva Goals, a solution from Microsoft that connects teams to your company's strategic priorities and engages employees with purpose. It empowers everyone to focus on your organization's most important goals and provide regular visibility into progress so teams can stay aligned at scale. The result? Energized, high-performing teams driving business results together. And since Viva Goals is part of Viva, it's integrated into the employee experience, empowering people and teams to be the best from anywhere. Unite people around your shared mission and purpose and inspire them to make even more impact with Viva Goals. Viva Goals uses an OKR formula, which stands for Objectives and Key Results. The OKR formula is a proven methodology that, if used to the full potential, can not only help create work environments that employees want, but also achieve the business outcomes that leaders are driving. The Viva Goals OKR methodology is shown in the 3 pillars that you can see here. You begin with an objective, which will be an aspirational goal for an individual, team, or company, and that will then be the final result or outcome that you want to deliver. Next, determine your key results in a way that's measurable and has metrics that contribute the achievement of an objective and shows goal progression. Finally, take the initiative. The initiatives are actions that will be taken by teams and individual contributors to achieve the key result. OKRs enable teams to stay aligned at scale and make sure that everyone's on the same page across the organisation. They enable teams to focus and actually say no to projects that aren't the best way to achieve their key goals. OKRs help drive transparency across their organisation so they can easily identify dependencies and hold themselves accountable for results and impact. Questions we ask business leaders are: where does your team stand to gain the most currently? Where are you strong already? And where do you actually want to improve? With agility, intended impact. How would that change how your teams work? And achieve. If every employee came to work with 100% certainty that they were working on a high-performing team, how would that impact engagement and business results? While you're thinking about that, let me share a bit more about Viva Goals. Our vision is for Viva Goals to enable customers to create clarity and alignment to ensure everyone in the organisation is focused on the top priorities and clearly understands why their work matters and how they are helping. Defining success as a team, connect work to outcomes, and aligning at all levels of the organisation. To shift focus as a team from effort and activity to impact and outcomes, share progress and insights across the organisation, focus on work that moves the business forward and stay agile at scale, all the while staying in the flow of work and in the tools your teams are familiar with and use to drive results, bringing data and actions seamlessly into where people are working. Now I'm going to dive deeper into these 3 points of our vision in more detail. So the first part of our vision was creating clarity and staying aligned at scale. You can define success by creating your objectives and key results, OKR, from scratch or with built-in templates like you can see here. Align at all levels of the organisation with OKR approval workflows and organisational, team and individual goal pages with these great visual chart displays. Connect work to outcomes with projects and tasks aligned to your OKRs. Focused discussions provide context and simplify reporting with custom dashboards and OKRs that dynamically update. Share progress and insights across your organisation with shareable links to dashboards. Stay focused on work that really makes a difference with individual, team, and organizational goal pages. And you can stay in the flow of work with the Viva Goals app in Microsoft Teams and in Azure DevOps. Communicate, collaborate, and check in on goals with the message extension in Teams chat. Increase visibility into progress with integrations into critical systems of work. For example, Jira, Tableau, Zendesk, and many more. You can easily manage your licenses using the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Seamless and secure sign-in, data encryption, and SOC 2 Type 2 compliance. Maintain confidentiality with private OKRs and customize your settings. Okay, so here I am in the Teams app for Viva Goals. Let's imagine for a moment that I'm a manager of a customer support team within the broader customer experience organization. Our organisation is focused on these 3 objectives you see here with the arrow and target symbols in front of them. The top one, deliver the best customer experience in our industry. Next, share insights with our product and service delivery teams so we can stay customer focused. And final objective is to recruit and develop the top talent. Now you can see here that Viva Goals supports sub-objectives. My team is specifically focused on the first sub-objective, providing delightful customer support. You can see it has a really clean and simple layout with the current status, owner, and end date for each objective. And then you can see the 3 key results that support the objective. If I want to drill further, I can even view the projects that align to these key results. By having all of this in Teams, where I'm working and collaborating really helps me be more thoughtful about how I spend my time throughout the day. More confident saying, do you know what, I can't do that today or this quarter because I have these very important goals to focus on. Recently, my team has been focused on one of our key results, more quickly responding to customer support tickets. This shows how easy it is to share a quick update with my team and how easy it is to create a new key result. I just clicked New Key Result and Add Name and a Target. For this KR, I want to automatically pull updates from Excel where we're tracking support usage. I assign an owner on my team, tap Create, and we're good to go. You can see it there now in the list with the Excel icon next to it to the new KR. And now I can see how that KR flows up into our broader organisation objectives as well. And in the tab at the top, you can see that I have different views. My own OKRs, my team's OKRs, or my organisation OKRs. Here I can see a chat from a colleague asking for a quick update on another one of my team's key results. I quickly select Check-in. And I share a quick update without leaving chat right in the flow of my work. Here I can see how Viva Goals integrates with other tools besides Teams like Azure DevOps. This is great for product development teams who want to use OKRs to help onboard new people to the team, better understand what goals our team is focused on, and align these goals to where we manage all our critical projects. In the middle, you can see 2 projects being managed in ADO aligned to the KR in Viva Goals. So there's a lot of work items and people working on those work items as part of this SOC 2 compliance project, and we're managing all of that execution complexity in ADO. When I'm actually in the backlog and in the nitty-gritty of where I do all the work, I can see the goals this project ladders up to, and it's helped me keep the bigger picture in mind. And when things haven't been going as smoothly, it's helped me remember the impact that this will have on our customer and stay motivated through the challenges for that impact. I can also see that we've closed out some work items and Viva Goals has automatically updated our progress to 15% complete. Because Viva Goals is connected to our Epic in ADO, whenever someone closes out a work item, that progress flows through to Viva Goals without me needing to hassle anyone for updates or have anyone on the team do redundant reporting work. It saves so much time. I can also see a comment from my manager encouraging us to stay focused and remember the importance of the project to our team's goals. There's also a web app with even more functionality, much of which will soon come to the Teams app experience. Here, for example, I can see a customizable dashboard that can be helpful to track progress across various OKRs and projects. You can also share those dashboards and insights across your organization with quick links or with direct sharing to teams. You can open the dashboard right from a chat and it will dynamically update as changes are made. We'll be delivering a whole host of capabilities to support our customers. You can click the pause button here if you like to see everything that will be available. With our step-by-step integration process, you'll be able to seamlessly implement OKRs into the daily life of your organization. Let's look at number 1, labeled beginning. If you don't currently use OKRs or any other goal alignment system, this is where you start and learn how OKRs can benefit your business. Piloting. Start piloting with OKRs at your organization via a pilot group who will learn how OKRs will work for them at scale. Adopting. This is where you commit to the OKR formula and see executive buy-in. Leaders become the driving force as OKRs expand more widely into the business rhythms of teams. Scaling. This is where OKRs become firmly embedded in business rhythms throughout your organization. OKR tools are now being used across the organization. And finally, number 5, centering. OKRs have become part of the daily rhythm of all teams and individual contributors. At this stage, employees will start to feel like there is more purpose at the center of everything they do. If you're worried about going on this journey alone, don't be. Microsoft has a partner solution for all your adoption needs. Some of the best solutions to adoption and change management come from the personnel within your company. Executive sponsor. The sponsor are the ones who see the OKR vision the most clearly and communicates often with leaders to make sure they are providing the right guidance to embed OKRs across the company. OKR champion. So the champion is the facilitator of the OKR process and drives adoption across the entire company. When anyone in your organization has an OKR question, your OKR champion will have the answers. Team manager. Team leaders have a deep understanding of their team's OKR and maintains OKR focus across their team. HR leader. These leaders often have access to the entire company, are in charge of learning and development and messaging. Because of their vital role to the company on a day-to-day basis, they are a huge support and help to spearhead OKR adoption. Admin and IT. So they're the ones who leverage technology to enhance collaboration and employee experience throughout the whole OKR process. We know how important partners can be to success with OKRs, so we're developing a partner ecosystem that has OKR depth and expertise, enables adoption and training on OKRs as you begin your OKR journey, and that can unlock additional opportunities to bring goals into the flow of work and tools that you already use. To wrap up, we wanted to share a few additional resources with you to help you learn more and take the next steps in your OKR journey, and I'll leave these links below for you as well. You can visit the Viva Goals webpage to learn more about the solution available for purchase today. This would be the product as it is today, and you could purchase that product through the Viva Goals sales team. You can learn all about OKRs by reading a white paper or watching a short video on the Viva Goals resources page. You can learn about Viva at our website and sign up to be kept informed on the latest news. And you can read more about the acquisition at our announcement blog. Finally, to get started, you could take the Employee Experience Assessment and see how Viva Goals can benefit your organisation today. Thank you.